So before this video gets started, if you're interested in receiving 1 free stock for signing up for Robinhood, if you use my link down below to sign up for Robinhood, you can buy cryptocurrency on there, including Dogecoin, and you can also buy other stocks on there. It's a great app, very user-friendly, right on your phone, and you can see everything really quickly, really easily. So again, use my link down below to get a free stock when you sign up for Robinhood. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So this video is a little bit different, but I did want to just touch base a little bit on what's going on the internet right now. If you're into stocks or into cryptocurrencies at all, you guys might have heard about this cryptocurrency called Dogecoin or Dogecoin or whatever you want to call it. That essentially it's like a meme currency. It's like a joke currency. People started it as a joke. It's a dog. And it's not like Bitcoin or it's not like Ethereum. I mean, it is in the sense that it's a cryptocurrency, but essentially it was started as a joke. And recently there was a viral TikTok that went around saying that, you know, if everybody buys this cryptocurrency, everyone's gonna get rich. So go put in 25 bucks. That's what it was about. So it's actually really, really interesting, and I wanted to just share my thoughts on the whole thing. So I'm just going to sync up my phone here and we can all follow along together. So this is what it is. It's called Dogecoin. By the way, TikTok's maybe getting banned in the United States. But look at this. TikTok takes on crypto with Dogecoin soaring 40% in 24 hours. It actually soared up 100%. Dogecoin volume spike 683%. That's actually crazy. 1900% in 2 days. That's a lot. So yeah, viral TikTok video boosts Dogecoin up by 20%. It went up a lot higher. I'll show you my app in a second, but yeah, basically there's this trend on TikTok where people are trying to buy Dogecoin in order to hike the price up so that everyone can get rich together. That's, you know, essentially what it's about. So I decided, you know, since I'm on TikTok, to hop on this trend, and I wanted to make a video about it. So what did I do? Well, I also by the way, guys, I saw this coming about 2 to 3 days ago. I think I bought in either 3 days ago or 2 days ago, but I saw it coming, and I started seeing these videos pop up on my Explore, on my For You page, which is basically the Explore page, you know, videos sent to me. They're about this Dogecoin thing. It was still really small and it hadn't spiked up yet. It did a little tiny bit, and I was like, you know what, this is going to explode. And so what did I do? I bought $1,000 worth of this coins. I bought $1,000 worth of this cryptocurrency. $1,000 for me. Like, oh my gosh, is it like soaring right now? How much do I have? Oh, never mind, 4.863. It's okay. But I bought in, I'll just show you guys, I bought in at right around here initially, 2.62. So I noticed it was going up, and this is where I bought in. Currently it's at 0.04. So it's really, really cheap. It's less than a penny. But yeah, I decided to buy in, and then I'll show you my screenshots. What happened was, once I bought in, so this was the first day. I bought in 1,000. I spent $1,000, 999, whatever, on Dogecoin, and then I got back 100, or like my return was $106. Cool, right? Then the next day, I checked, or no, later that day. Yeah, about 5 hours later, I saw it was going up and up. Over $1,000 return. It went up 100%. I doubled my money in about, you know, 5 or 6 hours. So I took that money. I sold some of it. Later on, I didn't get quite that much, but I got a little bit. I took 900 out, but what I ended up doing was just buying more. Why? Because I believe in virality. I believe in TikTok. I believe in, there's 800 million people on TikTok, and sure, it might just be a joke, but at the same time, people are desperate right now. People are bored, and people are willing to throw 20, 30 bucks out on this coin. So I went ahead and bought 1 million Dogecoins. The average cost, so I bought in, I can just show you through my app. Ended up buying in at around, let's see, yeah, I bought in, so initially I bought in at what was it? Does it not say the buying price? Oh yeah, 0.002673. That was my buy-in price initially. Then what I did was I bought, I sold that at 0.0049 because I saw it was spiking up. I sold $892, which was essentially all of my initial buy-in. I mean, my initial buy-in was like $990, but I got back, so I decided to pull out because I was like, you know, I don't want to waste my money. But then later on, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy back in. So I bought back in right under that price, literally profited like 1,500 coins, which, you know, is like nothing. Bought back in, bought in again at right under that price, so that was actually a little bit better. But then I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna I just wanted to see if I have 1 million coins. So I have 1 million coins, 1.087 million coins. Average cost a little bit higher, but yeah, I'm just riding out this wave, and there's, like I said, you know, there's all these articles about it. I think that more and more people are gonna start buying it. Right now, I think this is just the beginning of, like, well, I don't know where all the news articles are, but here they are. Is it smart to invest in Dogecoin? These are all old articles. Dogecoin. Yeah, volume up. I mean, yeah, Business Insider, Australia. I mean, this is not like super mainstream yet. Dogecoin, Cointelegraph, FX Street. I mean, yeah, I mean, I think once like bigger news companies start reporting on this, I think it'll go up. But interestingly enough, if we go on TikTok, I'm gonna try to not to play sound on here because I don't want to get copyright. But if you go on TikTok, sorry, this is my account. I have 800,000 followers. I just made a quick TikTok about it right here. 10,000 views, nothing crazy, right? I just talked about how I made $100. But if you go on this hashtag, this is how I've kind of been tracking it, the views under the hashtag. And this is the original one that went viral or whatever. That kind of, but as you can see, this guy right here, 24 karat golden, he just bought, let's see if you can hear it. $1. I'm about to break that robot dog. You believe he just made a TikTok saying that he's gonna buy his friend a robot dog if Doge gets to $1. So you click on, who's this guy, by the way? He made this song called Valentino. Obviously I can't play that song, but it's a very popular song. He's a big artist. He's the first that I've seen mainstream influencer to hop on this Dogecoin trend. So I think it might be interesting. As you can see, there's me. I'm like, whatever, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows down. My video's not that big. Again, this is still small, but I just, you know, I just wanted to play around a little bit. I don't really care if I lose the money. Obviously, it would be better not to, but at the same time, I'm just kind of playing around with it, and just to see where it goes. So that's all I have for today's video. Oh yeah, by the way, when you click on that guy's video, click into the comments, Rap just commented on it and said legend. And then this guy Arnie Dobrik, 2.4 million followers. He's like more of a troll, I guess. David is my dad, David Dobrik. There's like more mainstream people, and a lot of people are trying to get you know, bigger mainstream people to talk about Dogecoin. This guy right here, 2.4 million, he's telling people to buy Dogecoin or whatever, talking about it. And then also, if you go on Twitter, well, I don't know if I can even find it fast enough, but Elon Musk tweeted about Dogecoin in the past. So I'm assuming, I'm kind of just waiting to see if somebody like Elon Musk or somebody big, it's actually his favorite cryptocurrency. I'm just waiting for like somebody like Elon or somebody big to comment or to tweet about it. Dogecoin might be my fave cryptocurrency. It's pretty cool. So I mean, yeah, if Musk received 54% of the vote, the official Dogecoin that anointed Musk the CEO. Looks like you're the new CEO. DM us where to send the access codes. He tweeted out, yeah, maybe I can find the tweet here. Dogecoin rules. Elon tweeted out that Dogecoin rules. So, I mean, if Elon tweets about it, I feel like it's gonna spike up even more. And I've just been a little, I mean, this is my first cryptocurrency ever, but I feel like it's a good one to start with. It's up half a penny. I'm up 744 bucks as of now. Plus, actually, I'm more up, I think I'm up more like $1,000 because I did sell a bit and I think it's not really showing my full sell. Yeah, I'm up over 1,000. Actually, I'm up over $1,000 right now because I put 3263 plus 1,000. So I'm up $1,200 right now, guys. So I'm gonna leave a link down below to sign up if you are interested in buying Dogecoin, or if you just want to get a free stock, if you want to check it out. I'll leave a link down below to sign up for Robinhood. I bought this through Robinhood. You can buy it through Robinhood. But yeah, I'll leave a link down below to get a free stock. Also use the link down below for GetUpside if you want to get cash back on your gas. If you want to take that money and buy some Dogecoin, Dogecoin's currently worth half a penny. So if you get $3 back at the gas station, you can go buy yourself, I don't know, 600 Dogecoins. I don't know what the math is on that, but thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.